All right. The door in the middle there is the front entrance, and then this is kind of like a foyer here. The open door is the garage, and here's the dining room and the kitchen here. So here again you can see the cabinets need to be put back, but everything's usable and in good condition. I removed the door from the back, and because the city boarded it up. So I'm going to replace the entire frame and put in a new door because glass doors just aren't secure. So we're going to get rid of that. And here we're going to have carpet installed, just cheap carpet, for the renters until we decide to flip this and sell it. And of course we're going to paint it before the carpet comes. New ceiling fan will come in. Now let me walk around. I got to put in a new thermostat. Not sure what happened here. So here's like a little office area, maybe a formal dining room. There's the real thermostat. It should have gone there. And the carpet has already been paid for. Going upstairs, here's the front entrance again. The city removed the carpet. I guess it was smelling, and they had a couple people staying here who were illegal. They weren't supposed to be in here once it was vacated. So here's the master bedroom. Very nice size. It looks like they did some kind of repair down there on the floor. Double sink. The home has been winterized. Everything looks solid except for the paint. This house has been empty for 8 years and there's no leaks, no bad smell. Nice walk-in closet here. Some shelves have to be put back up. So very nice sized bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom house. Doors are intact, no holes in the walls. Windows look solid. Ceiling fans in every room, which will be replaced. This will be painted. The carpet is going to be installed in about a week and a half. This color, I don't know. We might just keep this one for now. It's not too bad. It's painted well, but it's kind of an ugly color. Again, ceiling fan is going to be replaced. And then the last bedroom is here. And here's a brief look at the neighborhood. It's not too bad. So besides the two squatters, I guess, trying to live in here, this place has been empty. Doors have been unlocked. People have been free to come and go, and no violence or anything, or no vandalism or anything in this home. So it's in a good neighborhood. And here everything looks intact. Typical dirty toilet and stuff like that. So we'll probably replace the light fixture eventually. Other than that, it looks like a really good foreclosed home. Solid, and it's going to start being a money maker for us. The rent on this home is $1,500 according to Zillow, and taxes are about $5,000 a year. So you take $500 of that $1,500 per month and give it to taxes, and after that you have about $1,000 a month in your pocket. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the $1,000 and just rent it for a while. And once we're able to put some good money into this house, maybe like $10,000, $15,000 or so, we'll go ahead and flip it. So that's what we typically do is replace the countertops with granite, better light fixtures. Oh, and I did want to show you the outside. So there's a deck here but it wasn't made very well because most of this deck is just sitting right on the dirt and it's rotted. You can see a few boards there that are rotted. So the plan right now is just to rip out everything and just have dirt and grass back here. So instead of repairing it, I don't know. Well, we'll check it out later, but as of now, we're just gonna rip it out. There is an easement back there. You're not allowed to build too far, and beyond that, it's just overgrown woods for a different property, different community. So, all right, over and out. We'll talk to you later.